what?
What?
There's an ostrich one. There's an ostrich.
Ostrich?
You know what I get it?
What?
So if you see the holes like in the boba belly,
Mm-hmm.
so you see the gas, you see it going to go. Get it? It says I see it unlocked. It just gave me a flamingo. I see the ostrich.
An ostrich or a flamingo?
No, it's just ostrich.
How about a penguin?
There are a penguin.
Is there a penguin?
But I don't know. There's a classy goat.
Oh, okay.
But it looked like a penguin. It just looked like a penguin.
But it isn't a penguin?
It looked like.
Is it an eagle? An eagle?
No, not eagle.
No.
It's just a class eagle. And I walked like this. Walked like that.
Oh, that sounds funny.
Because it looked like a penguin. Because if you walk slowly like this.
How does a penguin walk?
Like, if you walk slowly like this.
Oh, okay.
Like, he walks like that. That's so funny, right?
That is.